Hey everyone, hey, my teeth aren't white, but they used to be a lot yellower, and I tried this technique that I learned offline, and it's crazy, but it actually tends to work, okay? So first you need some of this stuff. It's bicarb soda, also known as baking soda. You need a little container. I'm just going to use an old medicine cup. You need lemon, and if you go down to a supermarket, normally you can get this stuff, and it's got baking soda in it already, but it's a toothpaste, and it's also got peroxide in it. Okay, so this is what you do. Give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. Anyway, first just do this. Get some of the baking soda out, pour it into something like that. Not too much, but a fair bit. Okay, it's probably about that amount. Okay, now let's get the detail of lemon. Put the lemon in there. It will foam up. As you can see, getting one everywhere. Really just let it foam up. And you get some of the toothpaste and squeeze it in. It's really gross. That's just mainly for the peroxide. You can buy peroxide separately and just use that. It's overflowing a fair bit, so I'm just gonna push some of the froth off. Okay, next you can get, a lot of people use cotton tips. I've got some, but I can't find them, so I'm just gonna use a toothbrush. And you just sort of mix it up really well inside. Sometimes, depending on your type of stuff you're using, sometimes you'll get more of a really thick foam, and sometimes you'll get stuff like this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you just brush your teeth with it. And I get a lot of comments, so I've done this before, and a lot of comments from people saying, no, you shouldn't put baking soda in your mouth. But as you can see, this is Colgate toothpaste, and it's recommended by Australian dentists. Here, Colgate, and it actually has baking soda in it. Baking soda can be quite poisonous if you intend to swallow a lot of it, but it mainly just removes and polishes the stains on your teeth. And that's pretty much it. Alright, subscribe.